In this lesson, we'll look at making text bigger on your screen. Now, if you find yourself squinting or reaching for reading glasses just to make the text out on your screen, then you need to watch this lesson. Windows 10 will try to use the best resolution based on your display screen, and this is often the highest resolution available. As a result, you can fit more content on your display. However, it may really challenge your ability to see your text clearly where higher resolutions result in smaller text. Windows 10 includes a nice tool that you may not be aware of that's really designed for this exact situation. It will help you to keep that higher display resolution and still see text clearly. Open your Settings app and select Ease of Access. Now you should be looking at the display pane, and here on the right you have a slider targeting the size of text on your screen. Use this slider to make things bigger, and the sample text up here will resize to let you see how the text will appear at that setting. If this looks comfortable, select Apply. Now Windows will quickly make the change. You'll see all of your text resized now based on that setting. And you might want to open a couple of apps, look around, look at menus, make sure you're happy with the change. If you need to adjust the size of your text again, just go back to the slider, make your adjustments, and apply them. Now we also have another option just below this. There's a setting here to make everything bigger. This will apply scaling changes to text, but also everything else. If you have multiple displays, this adjustment can be applied to a single display. While changes are immediately made, in some cases you may need to sign out of Windows and then back in to see the full effects of the change. This second setting can also be reached from the Settings app under System and Display. Under Scale and Layout, we can change the size of everything on our screen, and we looked at the drop-down menu in an earlier lesson when we considered settings that affect our display. To just make changes to text, however, you need to go to Ease of Access to get that setting. On screens with much higher resolutions, it could be that a combination of these two settings can result in the best display for us. We could increase the general scale, and then we can separately target just our text to make them a little bit bigger. As with any configuration changes, it can be helpful to take note of what your settings were before making changes. In this lesson, we looked at making text bigger on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.